Set cell size in centimeters or inches in Excel. Trying to set an Excel column to exactly 4 centimeters wide, or 2 inches wide. You right-click the column header, choose column width, type 4 centimeters or 2 in, but Excel gives you an error. Why does this happen? Because in normal view, Excel does not use real-world units like centimeters or inches for column width. Column width is based on character units, and row height is usually measured in points. So if you want to adjust cell size using real units, like centimeters or inches, here are 2 useful methods. Method 1. Use Page Layout View. First, go to the View tab. Click Page Layout. Now Excel shows the worksheet more like a printed page. In this view, Excel can work with real measurement units. To adjust a column, right-click the column header. Choose column width. Now you can enter a value with a unit, such as 4 centimeters or 2 in. Click OK. The column is resized to the exact width. To adjust the row height, right-click the row number. Choose row height. Enter the exact value you need, such as 4 centimeters or 4 in. Then click OK. You can also drag the border of a row or column to resize it manually. But if you want to see the size in centimeters while dragging, you need to change Excel's ruler unit. By default, Excel may use inches. To change it, go to File. Click Options. In the Excel Options window, select Advanced. Scroll down and find the Display section. Then find Ruler Units. Change the ruler unit to centimeters. Click OK to save the setting. Now, when you return to Page Layout View, the ruler will be displayed in centimeters. You will also see centimeters in the column width and row height windows. When you finish resizing, go back to the View tab. Click Normal to return to the regular Excel view. So this method works well if you only need to adjust a few rows or columns. But it has some downsides. You need to switch to Page Layout View first. You may need to change the ruler unit from inches to centimeters, and row height and column width usually need to be adjusted separately. If you want a faster way to resize a whole range, you can use Kutools for Excel. Method 2. Resize rows and columns at once with Kutools for Excel. After installing Kutools for Excel, select the range you want to resize. Go to the Kutools tab. Click Format. Then choose Adjust Cell Size. In the pop-up window, choose the unit you want to use, such as centimeters or inches. Then check row height, column width, or both. Enter the exact size you need. For example, you can set the row height to 1 centimeter and the column width to 4 centimeters. Click OK. And done. The selected cells are resized immediately. You do not need to switch to Page Layout View. You do not need to change Excel's ruler unit, and you can set row height and column width together in one step. So, if you only need to resize a few rows or columns, Excel's Page Layout View is a good built-in option. But if you often create printable forms, labels, templates, reports, or worksheets that need exact cell sizes, Kutools for Excel gives you a faster and more flexible way.